Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter Trendline in the medium wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. The vehicle also features an 8-speed automatic gearbox, as well as featuring the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive technology. This example is finished in the pearlescent paint colour in deep black, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The van sits on 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle there are the rear-loading barn doors. At the top there is a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera. On the doors there are some magnets which help you secure the doors when the 270-degree hinge doors are opened all the way. Tucked along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, as well as a tow bar and a step. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There is also yellow grab handles on the entry points, allowing you to step into and out of the vehicle. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle. The van features twin sliding doors, steps on either side, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab there are twin ergo comfort seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. The seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery. Plenty of leg space as well as headroom. The van features some overhead storage, as well as in the centre there are the controls for the parking heater that also comes with a remote control. In forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that features a wireless app connect as well as inbuilt navigation. Below the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van features 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.